today's video, we're going to discuss email marketing and how you can take these simple strategies to earn a full-time income. It's extremely newbie friendly. And I'm not going to just talk about my results today, but I'm going to take you over to our Facebook group where you're going to see where newbies are earning on a consistent basis using this system. And not only that, applying emails that's given to them so that they can start earning residual payouts. And not only that, one-time payouts of $100 bonuses. So let's go ahead and head over to my screen. I've been with a program called My Lead Gen Secret, and there's a lot of people that have misconceptions about this or wonder if it really works, where the leads come from, what type of businesses they can promote to these leads. And not only that, is it for real? Are people really generating income with this? And I know you probably see a lot of videos and a lot of people promoting this opportunity and want to know, well, how many other people are actually earning? That's why I love Facebook groups where you have different members that come together and show their results just utilizing the system. There's a lot of people out here that don't have a following, they don't have a YouTube channel, they don't have ongoing traffic, and they're just using the emails and the leads that's given to them through My Lead Gen Secret. However, they're also, in addition, adding the emails that's supplied to them from the group and also from their sponsor. So does the leads work? We're going to go over that now, and then we're going to discuss what to expect when you join My Lead Gen Secret. So here is my account. When you log into affiliates, if you scroll down under commissions, it's going to show you what type of payments you received, and you can get residual payouts 5 levels deep. So $5 payouts, $4, $3, $2, and $1, depending on the people that come in under you. And if they're actively promoting, you're going to make money from their efforts. And that's what you call leverage. And leverage actually allows you to just move faster because you're not just earning from your own efforts, but you're also earning from the efforts of other people on your team. And that's extremely powerful. So what I do is I give people bonuses so that they can have success with this program, but it really all boils down to you and how consistent you are with utilizing the system and applying the strategies that's given to you on a consistent basis. So here, just today alone, we had 3 new people that came in, and these people didn't come under me directly. They came in under someone else on my team. And that's what you call leverage, because I'm making money from other people's efforts and not efforts of my own. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 payments just for today alone. And if we scroll down, I've earned a total of $4,545 total, and I have $875 that I can request to be paid out. Now here where you see these $100 bonuses, this is extremely powerful too. These are one-time payouts, but you can get them unlimited, and they give you $100 for every 5 people that you receive directly under you within a 1-week period. So within 7 days, if you can get 5 people on you, you get a $100 bonus on top of your residual payments. Let's just say you had a total of 25 people that joined under you. That's going to be a total of $500 in bonus payouts that you're going to receive on top of your residual payments. Okay, so that's extremely powerful, and that can help you to start accumulating funds really quickly using this program. With My Lead Gen Secret, you're going to be able to request payment through Bitcoin, PayPal, or check by mail. And so far I have used Bitcoin and I have used check by mail, and I have received payments with both. Okay, so let's head over to My Lead Gen Secret Facebook group, and you will have access to this when you join the program. I'm going to just show you some proof of how other people are doing with the system, and I'm just blown away because every so often I go in to just see what's going on, if there's any new information, any new email swipes that I can use, and I see people every single day that is putting up their information on the payouts that they're receiving and the signups that they're receiving just using the leads that's given to them through My Lead Gen Secret. They give you 100 leads per day when you first start out. If you bring in one person, you automatically jump to 200 leads per day, and they keep adding up. So they compound and they grow over time. So right now, I believe I have like 21,000 leads that I can email once every 24 hours. So here we're going to start. We have a call. He just said, awesome, just got another sale from the inbuilt mailer to the leads provided. Okay, and this was just 4 hours ago. New activity, guys. This just happened 4 hours ago. And we have Robert Ford, who puts up different strategies that he used, what emails he's using, and how he's doing from the different emails that he's using. So people that have success with certain emails are literally giving us those emails so that we can copy and paste them and put in our own link. Here we have Felicia, who just joined. We have, I mean, it just keeps going. A ton of people that are putting up their what they're receiving, how much they're making, their results. So here, this person, Rob Ford, he received 2 people that came in directly through the My Legion Secret leads. So that shows you, yes, the leads work. People are getting paid just by using the leads that's provided to them. Okay, so we're gonna just keep scrolling down. I'm gonna show you guys a few more people that are putting up their results. Here's James, another sale made from the mailer, 5 sales in just over a day. That's extremely powerful. 5 in a day, that means he received a $100 bonus. Today, this was yesterday, today 4 sales from My Legion Secret from the mailer itself. Put up his results. And you know, if you keep going, I mean, it's a bunch of them. So right now we have, when you come into the group, once you join, you want to go over to the file section, or I'm sorry, the unit section. You have different information there just to tell you what to expect. We have over 3,900 people that are part of the group. As you can see, it's extremely active, and there's a lot of information that's here that's going to help you to be successful, along with my bonuses that's going to tell you exactly what to expect, what emails to send, what offers to send, and how often you need to be sending out these emails, because that's important. How much time you need to give the system before you actually start seeing consistent results. And not only that, you know, switching up the offers. Maybe you don't want to promote My Legion Secret. Maybe you have another program that you want to promote. You need to know that, you need to know if the leads that we have will actually work with the program that you're trying to promote. Because let's face it, all leads don't work the same. Some people are looking for low ticket offers, some people are looking for mid ticket, and some people are looking for high ticket. So you have to make sure that your opportunity matches with the leads that's given to you. I always tell people, if your offer is over $150, this may not be the right lead source for that offer. Okay, so what we can do is we can just basically see that the system works, and if you use it consistently, you're emailing your leads consistently, you're going to see results. You just have to make sure that you test different emails, you track, which you can do right in your My Legion Secret account. You can track the emails that you send out to see which ones are more effective and which ones are working the best. And then not only that, you can come back to the My Legion Secret group and also use the emails there and see how those do as well. So we have there's a lot of things that you can do with My Legion Secret. There's a lot of money to be made. There's unlimited potential. You just have to be willing to put in the work. So in the description below is my link to start My Legion Secret. But not only that, if you want to reach me to get more information or have questions, my information to reach me is also in the description below. So if you're not subscribed to my channel and you're looking to start a home-based business or get more information about how to become an entrepreneur, how to work from home, you can subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you are alerted for any new videos that I put out. And I'm here to inspire people, to let people know it is possible. I would have never thought 5 years ago that I would be working from home in the comfort of my own office and being able to provide people with information about how to work from home and how to be successful online and offline. So I feel extremely humbled to be here with you guys, and I'm hoping to bring out many more videos in the months that's ahead. So again, guys, please subscribe. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you another day.